Welcome back to my channel. I am Hồng Huyên. Today I would love to guide you to a new place, Chư Đăng volcano. Coming to Chư Đăng in Pleiku city, a volcano standing in the middle of the wildland of the mountains and forests of the Central Highlands. Visitors fall in love with the unique and charming beauty of this place. Chư Đăng is located in Pleiku village, Chư Đăng commune, Chupah district. Chư Đăng Zarai language means tough ginger root. This is a volcano that has been dormant for millions of years. Its stunning lake, Pleiku Bird Eye, is a famous relic that attracts many tourists to visit. Chư Đăng volcano is hidden among the majestic mountains of the Central Highlands. Let's know. Over millions of years, remnants of volcano lava have left this place with fertile and rich basalt red soil. It's not only a condition for local people to grow food crops, but also creates a lively natural scene with diverse, rich and lush plants and flowers. That is why Chư Đăng has become a stopover for many backpackers and travel lovers. So if you have chance to visit Pleiku City, Yalai province, come and visit Chư Đăng volcano to enjoy the beauty of the mountain in Highland. See you.